Hey Freshies, my name is Keziah Samuelu and we are the Sam Fams. Hey! Where's the energy?
What's wrong with my energy?
Hey Freshies, my name is Keziah Samuelu and we are the Sam Fams.
Hey!
I forgot my line.
Coming up next.
Sign off for love, everyone. Welcome to Guess the Food. Wait, is it this?
My TikToks are mainly focused around family, dancing, singing.
Malolele everyone, I am Diamond Langi and I'm here at the 20th anniversary for the Vodafone Pacific Music Awards. It is a big night and I can't wait to interview some of the best Pacific artists in the game. Let's go.
I don't get cold feet. Run it up, now they looking dumb. They ain't built like me.
I'm Tio Glacier, singer-songwriter from South Auckland.
And what are you nominated for tonight?
I'm nominated for Best Pacific Song.
How do you feel being nominated tonight?
What an honor, eh? Not long ago, I was just making songs in my bedroom and hoping that it'll blow up. And yeah, I got there in the end. We're still going, this is just the beginning.
We got the talented Mellow Downs here in the house. How are you feeling tonight, bro?
So excited to celebrate our Pacific people. There's so much talent, so much Pacific celebration, so yeah.
We have the talented queens here at ART. How are you ladies tonight?
We're so excited, so pumped, and just so ready.
Congratulations on all the success, and good luck for your guys' show tomorrow. I can't wait to support and cheer you guys on.
Thank you so much.
Every time I see you.
It's always such an honor to be nominated, especially here at the Pacific Music Awards. I feel happy to be here, and it's lovely of them to nominate me as well.
How is it to work together as siblings? How is that dynamic?
It's up and down, you know?
I recommend it if you're the right personality type. If you're the wrong personality type, don't try it. Yeah.
We have the talented brother Diggy here. How are you, bro?
I'm good. So excited to be here. It's a surreal feeling to be acknowledged, not only for one category, but for four. I was expecting just one. I'll be blessed with about 4 categories. Yeah, let's go.
We are here with Kings. How are you tonight?
Good, very good.
Kings, you've worked with so many artists. Is there an artist out there that you haven't worked with that you want to work with?
We're gonna work together. I just seen her at a recording studio yesterday, so we're gonna tee something up.
I'm a proud son. My father and my mom, they are the reason why I do what I do today. They moved to America for better living, for opportunities, and I feel like it was my duty to take advantage of that. A lot of our folks, they have such humble beginnings. They took the chance to move out of Samoa or Tonga or wherever for the betterment of our lives. And so as kids, as first generation, I guess, American living, I feel like it's our duty to make sure that the reason they moved was for a purpose.
Keep it fresh.
Keep it fresh.
Keep it fresh.
Keep it fresh.
Yo, what's up, Fresh? It's your boy Kings, man. Keep it fresh, locked in. Peace!
Thanks everyone for joining me here at the Pacific Music Awards. I hope you all enjoyed yourself because I did. I had an incredible time interviewing the artist. I just dropped a single called Keep You Here, and hopefully you see me here next year. Until then, stay fresh, stay blessed, and stay well. Ofatu.
Good morning, Marisa Sorokunai. I am Elsie Polosovai and I will be taking you guys with me on my day here in the Solomon Islands. I'm currently in Honiara, the capital of Solomon Islands. And I am one of the contestants for the Miss Solomon Island pageant as Miss Lauru, sponsored by the Lauru People's Association.
Miss Solomon Islands.
I also study at the University of Otago in Dunedin, or Otago Whakaiwaka. I grew up basically in South Auckland. Wait, I'm getting sidetracked. I'm very excited to take you guys with me on this journey. Come with me and let me show you Honiara. Hi, this is Adi. She is the guru of all the logistics and organizing everything for Miss Lauru. We are heading to the hospital right now. Right now we're driving through Chinatown and we're about to turn into the National Referral Hospital.
So
We also come some relations where we have part of advocacy for women's health. And now I just got changed and I'm gonna go with my photographer. This is Eunice. Hello. Hello, she's with the camera. It's past 6 o'clock. I'll see you guys soon.
Don't go anywhere because we got heaps of fresh stuff coming up next.
Muscles. Muscles. Yeah! Yes!
Hey guys, my name is Keziah Samuelu and this is Young, Gifted and Brown. My name is Keziah Samuelu. I am 22 years of age. I make TikToks in my free time and I am Samoan. My TikToks are mainly focused around family, dancing, singing, even like little fashion things here and there. Family is always going to be in it. So I started in 2020, so lockdown. That's when TikTok, I think, started blowing up. And so I had an account and told the girls to just do a dance with me. And then we got mum and dad in it, and that's how the banana drop challenge was born. And ever since that, it's just been ongoing non-stop.
At that time, we had like family devotions, and so like we had a lot of like Zoom calls, and she kept nagging us, like, come on, we need you to do this TikTok. And I kept, you know, like at the time we were like, we've got to get on, like everyone's waiting, like on Zoom. And then so we just jumped in, we ran through it twice, and then while we were in our devotions with the family and that, she was just smacking, like hitting me, Mum, oh my gosh, look at my phone, it's going off, and it was just crazy. Like her phone kept glitching because it was just so many people like commenting and like just liking it and then following her, and then her numbers just went up and up and up. I get so excited talking about it because someone recognising your gift or your talents and stuff like that, so it's pretty cool.
I think it's definitely brought us a lot closer musically.
TikTok has given us more time together. They don't realise it, but it's like my time with them. I'd like to go to the mall and stuff like that and spend time, but it's something like this is different.
Wait, I need to do it again because I don't get it.
Okay, wait, are you on the front? So Dad got sick in 2011. The hospital did become a second home to us, but that was all right because for like a couple of days we were always together, no matter how difficult it was.
And so like for us to like just go in and spend time with him, he you know, puts a smile on his face when he sees us like just making like TikToks or singing or just in his room.
It was a really good time knowing that we were there for Dad, even though he was probably at his lowest point then. I really want to be a teacher. Yeah, I don't know, I just have this really big passion for like kids and just teaching them. I do teach the children's church at church as well. So that's been a big like wake up call, like actually like this is what I want to do. Gaming is just a thing that I've recently gotten into at the start of this year. But yeah, I enjoy it a lot. It gives me a lot of it's like a little place I can just get all my anger out, I guess. I am into anime. My favourite anime would have to be Haikyuu, which is the volleyball one. So because I play volleyball, it's really cool seeing an anime with like a sport that you play and you can relate to. So I really like it, yeah.
For you created my inmost being, you knit me together in my mother's womb. I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Yeah, love you guys. Who made you? God did.
Talo for love, everyone. Welcome to Testr Food.
Today we're gonna be trying 5 different foods, and whoever guesses the most will win the game.
Let's get into it. Let's go.
Do you try it now?
No, you try it. Wait, is it this? Cookie. Oh.
That's that.
It's the one with the red thing inside.
Cookie bear. I'll sell you in my cookie.
What is this?
Oh, cereal.
Oh my gum. Weepix. Weepix with the fruits in it. Oh, Weepix bites, yes! Yes! Wheel. Beetroot. Oh my gosh, I can smell it.
Yeah, it's an obvious taste.
Yeah, I can smell it, but I just couldn't even say it. Yum. Oh, you're always fast, bro. Calm down. What the?
This tastes weird.
Oh, dip.
Is it yogurt? Dip. Nah, it's porridge.
What kind of porridge you eat today? Yeah, I think I give up. Mussels. Mussels. Yeah! Yes! Once I put it next to my nose, straight away, mussels. Oh, chips. Oh, potato sticks. Yes! 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 So I think my mom, my dad, someone. Yeah!
How did you know it's potato sticks?
Oh, mate, I used to eat all my nephews and nieces ones. I used to go steal it from their lunchbox and eat it.
So today was fun. Yeah, it was pretty hard.
Anyways, that is us for today. We know who the winner is. Thank you guys for watching Testr Food. Tune in next time. And remember to keep it fresh.
You're gonna walk home then.
Hey, why?
Yeah, you're gonna walk home.
Oh, what a sad guy.
Welcome back, Freshies. You're just in time because we've got the Game of Champions and Village Knockout. Let's go!
G'day, mate. How's it going? It's Rocky here, yeah? Welcome to a show that we like to call Village Knockout! two teams battle it head-to-head in 2 mini-game rounds. If you win both rounds, you win it all. If you somehow tie and win 1 round each, we go to a sudden death. Dun, dun, dun. Without further ado, let us meet our contestants for today.
Kia ora, my name is Poisiare Tararo. I'm from Moke.
Kia ora, my name is Roy. I'm from Rarotonga.
In Bulvinaka, my name is Jen Vavaitamana. I'm from Lomanikoro, Rewa.
Bulvinaka, my name is Matthew Dama, and I'm from Kortolu, Modelau in Fiji.
Okay, team. Before we get started, I want to know what your team village names are.
We're Team Cook Islands!
We're Team Coconutty! Without further ado, this is our first game, which is called the Get Down. Teams will face each other. I will then give them an action. Then I will ask a question. There's a prop in between them. I will ask the question and they have to pick it up. You can then have your partner answer it, or to retaliate, give it to the opposing team and they answer it. Malama lama. Hi. Kei konei, kei konei. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Yes, ready. Okay, let's go. Left hand up. Left hand down. Right leg up. How do you say hello in Tahitian? Oh, Team Cook Islands picked it up. Answer the question, yeah?
I'm begging you, you should know this. Please.
3.
You're on.
You're right! Okay, let's go round 2. Heads, shoulders, heads. Which Pacific nation's flag features a bald eagle? Oh! He's picked it up.
American Samoa.
The next one I'm gonna read is double points. And so for that, I want you guys to hold a squat now. Oh, come on, it was slower than that. Which hilarious comedy duo performed as characters Auntie Tala and her niece Fai? Have a breather, have a breather.
Tala, no.
Let's go.
Is it the laughing Samoa?
Oh! You are laughing correctly, but... You know what that means? Round 1 goes to Team Coconuts! Don't worry, because... And the second game that we'll be playing is called Cup Testrophy! In this game, one player from each team separately has to make it from the nearest cup to the furthest cup, all while being blindfolded. The only way to be guided across is having your team member's voice. The catch is the opposing team can also distract verbally. The person who knocks the least amount of cups wins the round. Are we ready?
We're ready.
Yes. Okay. Your time starts now. Let's go.
Got it. Down. Flag up. Got it. Yeah. Okay, keep going. Okay, run. Keep running.
Am I there?
Yeah.
You're somewhere else. Come back here. They did not make halfway and they had 4 cups hit. Let's switch over. Let's go. Okay, I'll get you to the front line. Are you ready, Team Cook Island? Hey, 3, 2, 1. Let her rip.
Up and around.
1 cup touch.
What?
1.
3 cups.
The same cup touch twice. 3 cups.
Correctly.
3 cups in 3 seconds.
Use my socks.
Oh, nice. We have 3 cups
and put it next to your left.
They touch the 2 cups at the same time.
Roy, I need your topicati protection. Oh my God.
You need to move to your left.
Up high, take it to the left.
High. Put it forward a bit. Beautiful. Left foot up high. Left foot up. Put it down right there. Right foot up high. Put it forward.
Nice.
Oh, good. Right. Jump forward. Jump.
Yeah. They made it to the end. I've made a decision. The winner for today. Yeah, that's clear. Team Cook Island.
Oh.
So now we go to a sudden death. I'm gonna give you guys one question. The first to answer it takes out the whole entire village knockout for today. In the 2006 film classic Sione's Wedding, what do Michael, Setha, Albert, and Stanley call their gang?
Oh, damn. Let's go.
Keep calling.
Rocky, I'm gonna say, the Duck Walkers! Quack, quack!
Your duck Ladies and gentlemen, what a tight game it was today. Join us next week as we have another round of Village Knockout.
Thanks everyone for kicking back with us.
See you on TikTok.
And don't forget, keep it fresh.
Give me my money. Tatofi, we are Pacific artists of the climate of the justice.
I saw that this was the perfect way, one, to sing with a couple of friends who are also great musicians, and two, to kind of spread awareness.